All right, so in this video, we're taking a look at violet paint colors. It's a quick look. Violet isn't a super popular color, but I want to make sure I touch on it for you. You can see a nice range here. What shift do you see from left to right? Or on your screen, it might be right to left, but I'm starting here anyways. So you can see cooler, moderate, warmer. So what does that mean? This is a little bit more violet blue. This is kind of sitting in the middle. And this guy, violet pink. We've got Benjamin Moore, hint of violet, Benjamin Moore, winter gray, Benjamin Moore, misty memories. So if you had a north-facing room, you might choose the warmer violet. If you have a south-facing room, you might choose the cooler violet. You can get away with any of them, but these two are probably going to be better for a south-facing room to balance out that warm sunshine. Now you might look here and think, you know, Kylie, by the time I get to there, I think that's more a pink violet, not a violet pink. But if we compare it to the prettiest pink color, you can see how violet it truly is. Again, comparison is key. I've also got some interesting colors. These are super popular colors from Benjamin Moore. We've got Barren Plain and Portland Gray. A lot of time they are used as gray paint colors. But, you know, look, there you go. Okay, that is definitely more toned down. You can see there, it's definitely grayer looking, right? But compare it to Barren Plain, still got quite a bit of chroma there. So comparison is key. If you're looking for a violet, you want to see which type of violet do you want? Do you want a toned down approach where it's really muddled up in gray? Do you want to see a little bit of it? So you definitely have violet walls, but it's not strong, or do you want to commit?